President Muhammadu Buhari, President of the Federal Republic. Welcome, sir.
Before I comot office for 2023, my administration go continue to dey promote peace. Buhari na im tok dis one. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don visit Borno for Thursday for di 2022 World Humanitarian Day and commissioning of some state government projects for Maiduguri. And dis go be im third time in 14 months sake of say e wan ensure say e restore permanent peace and sustainable development for di state. Di pipo for Borno come appreciate di Presido with celebrations for di street. Shehu of Borno Abubakar Umar Gabar and Governor for Borno Professor Babagana Zulu come thank the Presido for all the ogbonge work wey e don give the state.
The Chad Basin Development Authority, when fully operational, will no doubt complement your administration's efforts towards enhancing the nation's drive for food security and also serve as an avenue to revive and sustain those so far resettled.
I'm pleased to inform this gathering that His Excellency President Buhari last week has approved the sum of 15 billion naira in favor of the Presidential Committee on Repatriation and Resettlement, with the view to resettling our refugees that are living in the Republic of Chad, Niger, and Cameroon. And this is a clear testimony of his administration's desire to shift its focus from shorter-term humanitarian support to medium and longer-term sustainable and durable solutions.
Presido Buhari come throway salute give the ogbonge pipo for Borno as they recognize all im efforts wey e don put for im administration and come promise say im administration go continue to dey promote peace for the state and the country.
Relative to time and resources, certainly this administration has paid the attention to this part of Nigeria because they deserve it. Firstly, to establish peace and of course to keep helping the people. As you all know, this administration closed the border so that we can encourage Nigerians to grow what they eat and eat what they grow. That helped us with the problem in oil production and its politics. If we haven't taken that measures, things would have been very bad because the basic thing is to be in a position to feed ourselves. I assure you I'll continue to do my best for all the country.
For the visit, Buhari come commission the teachers' quarters for Maiduguri wey the government for Borno State build. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.